So this is my video reflection for the first unit of my INS, grade 6, and the first question is, based on your experiences in this unit, what is the purpose of maps and globes? So, one purpose that maps and globes can give us is that it helps us navigate and gives us a sense of direction, so that when we need to go from one place to another, we can see where to go and which way is north, so therefore we need to go in which road. So for example, if there are lots of forked roads and you don't know which way is north, then maps can tell you which way is north, so we should take what road, and it can show us how to get from places to another. So one type of location it shows us is absolute location, which is the exact location of something. And another type of location is a relative location, which is how to get from one place to another and the distance between it. And also, it shows us the features around the area, which means that it shows us landmarks such as kind of important buildings or national parks around some areas that you're traveling in. And you'll never forget directions because they're written down and they're visualized so that you know where you are and which way you should go. So the second question is, how can people use maps to solve a problem? Speak from your own life. And the way that people use maps to solve a problem is that in locations where no directional data is given, such as you're just put in the middle of a forest and you need to get to a place where it's outside of the mountain or the forest, but you don't know where's like north or east, then you can look at maps and the map will tell you which way you should take in order to get to the direction you want to go in. And it can also give absolute and relative locations. Like in a map, it is labeled Empire State Building in a map of the New York City, and how to get from the Empire State Building to the Chrysler Building. And it also figures out which type of natural place you are, and that can be shown in the type of map or thematic map, such as if it's a topographic map, you can see that it shows land elevations and you're probably in a mountain. Or if it shows a political map, then you're looking at countries. Or if you're looking at a road map, you're probably in a city. So you can find out from the context clues in the map. And the third question is, how did your experiences with orienteering change from the school activity to outdoor ed? So in the school activity, we didn't know how much one paces and we weren't that accurate and we weren't able to measure the bearing that accurately. However, in outdoor ed, as we practiced and learned with our instructors, we learned how to kind of ask for the scale and measure more accurate bearing measurements. So, for example, like when we were in school in the bell tower doing our activity, um, we read the bearing of 50 degrees as 48, and it had a big difference, a range difference from the accurate bearing. But now, as we kept practicing with our compasses, we could learn how to kind of accurately measure out the bearing and ask for a scale. So that's how it helped us our orienteering, and thank you.